Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with Unit 3 of our EVS book. The name of the unit is Food, and we are going to today start with chapter number 11, which talks about the different foods that we eat. So let us open our books and begin with our chapter. Well, the starter activity says, how many items do you eat which are from a plant source? And the second question talks about any two sweet dishes that are made from milk. So I'm sure there are so many answers that you must be knowing in your heart. We are going to talk in this chapter about the different sources of food, which means where does food come from. We will talk about diverse eating habits. And most importantly, we will be talking about a balanced diet. Children, we need to eat food every day. It helps us to grow, it gives us energy, and it keeps us strong and healthy. All human beings eat food, but the way they eat and the food they eat differs from one place to another. It depends on habits, on customs, on religious traditions, on weather, etc. So let us begin with our journey on sources of food. All the different kinds of food that we eat come from two major sources: plants and animals. Let us talk about food from plants. We get many eatable items like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts from plants. And we eat the following parts of the plant as food. If you talk about leaves, then lettuce, spinach, mint, coriander, cabbage are examples of plants whose leaves are eaten. Carrot, radish, beetroot, and turnip are roots. They are underground. Sugarcane, potato, ginger, and onion are stems. Cauliflower and broccoli are actually flowers. Mango, apple, banana, tomato, and peach are fruits. Rice, wheat, pulses are seeds. And finally, we also get from the plants spices and herbs to add flavor to our food. We saw that we've used almost all parts of the plants as our food. We now move from food from animals. We get different types of food from animals. Let me show you the screen. You will be able to see some pictures and understand as well. Cow, goat, sheep, and milk are some animals that give us milk. Hen, duck, and geese give us eggs. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey. Goat, hen, and fish are sources of meat. Here you can see in a picture various animal products have been shown. Now, many people, if you see, many people, they eat fish of different kinds like salmon, trout, sardine, mackerel, pomfret, and many others. Other seafood items like oysters, clams, crabs, lobsters, shrimps, and prawns are also eaten. The ocean covers 3/4 of our earth and are rich with plants and animals. For thousands of years, people have gone out to rivers and seas to catch fish for food. Today, huge modern fishing boats with large fishing nets catch fish in plenty. Some people even like the taste of dry fish. Eating habits can be diverse. Different people have different eating habits. Some people who eat only plant products and animal products instead of meat, egg, and fish are called vegetarians. And do you know who are vegans? Vegans are people who are vegetarians and they don't eat animal products also. Like they don't have milk and butter, cheese also. Some people who eat fish and meat are called non-vegetarians. Staple food is the name of the food which is eaten popularly in an area and is generally eaten on daily basis. Let us know about the staple food of some places. I would like to show you pictures here on this slide. People living in coastal areas, as you can see, like Kerala and West Bengal, eat a lot of rice and fish. Makki ki roti, sarson ka saag, rajma chawal are relished in Punjab. Dal bati churma is a delicacy of Rajasthan, and thepla, dhokla, khakra are enjoyed in Gujarat. So you can see the pictures of all these food items here. Now we come to the aspect of a balanced diet. Do you know what a balanced diet is? Our body needs a variety of food items to grow and remain healthy. The diet that contains all the things, all the nutrients in proper amount as required by our body is called balanced diet. I would like to show you and then we can discuss the balanced diet chart. It's there in your book and on your screen. You can see it in front of you. So you can see the balanced diet chart. At the bottom of the pyramid is bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. Then you have the vegetable and the fruit group. Then you have milk and dairy products, and you have non-vegetarian food. So you have milk, yogurt, and cheese, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, nuts, beans. And at the top of the pyramid, you have fats and oils. So this pyramid shows सबसे ज़्यादा क्या खाना चाहिए? Cereals. Second क्या खाना चाहिए? Vegetables and fruits. Then milk products or dairy products or poultry. And सबसे कम क्या खाना चाहिए? Fats, oils and sweets. Now, depending on the requirement of the body, food that we eat can be categorized into mainly the following types. सबसे पहले you have the energy giving food. Cereals, rice, bread, wheat, sugar, potato, they all contain a nutrient called carbohydrate that gives us energy to do our work and play, right? Bodybuilding foods such as fish, eggs, pulses, meat, milk and its products, and beans, they give us proteins, vitamins, and minerals which help us in growing strong and in repairing the injured parts of our body. So they are called bodybuilding foods. Then we have protective foods like fruits, green vegetables, cereals, milk, and eggs. They are protective food because they help us to stay healthy and free from illnesses. Here you can see pictures of protective food. We also need a lot of water to help our bodies digest the food that we eat. Okay, all food items contain some water. We lose a lot of water through sweat, breath, and urine. So what are the three ways in which we lose a lot of water? By sweating, by breathing, and by passing our urine. This water loss must be replaced by always keeping on drinking water through the day. Water also helps us to digest and it helps us to spread the nutrients throughout the blood. With this, we come to the end of our chapter and let us quickly recall what we have learned in this chapter. We need to eat food every day. Plants and animals are the two main sources of food. We eat vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, and oil from plants. We get milk, honey, egg, and meat from animals. Different people have different eating habits. Our body needs a balanced diet to grow and remain healthy. And finally, water helps us to digest food. Hence, we should drink plenty of water every day. I hope after reading this chapter, you would have understood the importance of having a balanced diet. Have a good day until we meet for chapter number 12 for EVS class 3 the next time. Thank you.